Hi everybody, good morning, good afternoon and good evening from wherever you're watching us from. Did you know that Facebook has 3 billion or over 3 billion active users? And the funny part or the gist here is that among these 3 billion people, millions are earning daily on Facebook. How are they earning daily on Facebook? They're earning by majorly on uploading videos. They are also earning money by writing or posting blog posts. You guys, are you among those people who don't know or who are doing things like these two things on Facebook, but your aim is not to make money? Are you among them? If you know you're among the people who are posting on Facebook and you're not on the objective of earning money, you're missing a lot of millions. In today's video, I'm going to take you through and see you some of the highlights, some of the steps how people are earning money. You might be among those people who can start right now to start earning money, whether you already signed up with Facebook or you can decide right now after watching this video to sign up on Facebook and start earning money. My own aim, I started earning money on Facebook 1 year ago. I know the gist that is in it. So let's dive in and see how you and me can earn money on Facebook by monetizing our presence with writing blogs and even uploading videos in form of shorts, in form of reels, and you can earn in different ways. When we are talking about earning money on Facebook with these two, Facebook reels, Facebook videos, and even Facebook blog posts, we are talking about passive income. Passive income is whereby you do something today, sleep, and wait for results. As you wake up, you find money is there. So before I dive into the details of this video is going to have some 5 to 6 clusters. But before, I would love to appreciate you for having come up every day to watch this beautiful face. Our main objective of Immaculate Ray is to make sure that we monetize our presence on social media platforms with the help of our smartphones. Remember, a lot of us that are watching this video, most of you do upload videos, do upload photos on Facebook, and you're right there. Please, Facebook, keep for me. But if you didn't know that you can make money, you can be liberated, today is your right day for you to start. So let's dive in and see exactly the first cluster of making money on Facebook. As you can see on the screen, Facebook is a money-making potential. And before we jump into the strategy, let me show you why Facebook is a gold mine of content creators. When I'm talking about content creators, I mean you who is writing blog posts, and I mean you who is uploading any time of video, whether it is long reel or it is short reel. So what do you think you can do? Facebook pays billions to content creators through ad revenue, and also reels, long form videos and blog posts can also be monetized right now. Facebook rewards consistency. The more you post, the more you earn. So whenever you are, if you post once, posted once, and you did not get money, please don't say Facebook does not pay. So now let's break it down into best ways to make money daily. We are going to watch how to make money with videos. We're going to watch how to make money with a blog post. Then the second segment is going to be about making money with Facebook videos. Now let's dive in and see how can you do a Facebook passive income. When I'm talking about Facebook passive income, you guys, I want us to be clear. I want us to be stationed in a way that everything we post on Facebook can be monetized. However, if you're following rules and regulations, Facebook is pushing videos content hard, which means more views and more revenue. Here is how you can tap into it and start making money. We have different ways. Most people also can be on Facebook and you fail to earn money, but this is how you can tap into your presence on Facebook and start earning. Create engaging videos. It's a bit tricky depending on your niche. There are some niches that some platforms don't easily grab. There are different niches like comedy, like storytelling, experiences, fun, That's why most people are always present on Facebook. They will love to see such things. But if you're into niches like education, you're into niches like finance, you might hardly get the audience. However, you can hold on. So what you need to do here, you need to create short Facebook reels, and first short Facebook reels start from 30 to 90 seconds. Then we have long form videos, and long form videos start from 3 minutes and above. This is for more ad revenue especially. Then you can also use high quality captions and hook the viewers for them to keep watching. That is step number 1 for making money with Facebook videos. Then step number 2 for making money with Facebook videos, you need to get monetized. For you to be monetized, like for example with Facebook in-stream ads and bonus, you have to use in-stream ad. And from ads shown in your video, for you to do this and start getting this money, you have to be having 10k followers and 600,000 watch minutes in 60 days. This is the requirement. Real pre-bonus, you can start getting real pre-bonus when Facebook pays for viral short videos, and this one, it is only on invites alone. Majority of people don't always reach on this one because it is invite, so you just do your thing and wait to be invited. Then the third step on making money with Facebook videos, it is to use affiliate marketing and brand deals. Promote products in your videos and commission. If I'm here making this video and I'm talking about this smartphone, if I'm already dealing with this company that is selling this smartphone, it means that I'm going to create a video talking about the features and benefits of this video. In the end, the moment you click on this video, when it is attached with a link, the moment you buy, I'm going to get commission out of this video through affiliate marketing. So what you do, you promote products in your video and earn commission. You partner with brands and get paid promotions. Imagine you uploading one viral video and make money from it every day. That's the power that is found on Facebook. Then the third way of the third segment of this video is making money with Facebook blog post. Before, most people didn't know about the power of Facebook blog post until when people started bringing in testimonies. A lot of individuals used to think that for you to start earning on Facebook, you have to have only videos, reels and that. But you can also earn from your articles. So there are instant articles and monetization. Not fun of video. There are people who don't know how to go and watch themselves speak in a camera. It is, by the way, some extent it is a bit difficult because you have to organize, you have to prepare, you have to be in a good environment. You can see like the way my environment this time, the AC is too high because I did this bunch of videos in wee hours, so AC has to be there in the night, and you feel this is all inconveniencing. So if you're a fan of writing, you can go ahead, no problem. Facebook lets you earn money by just writing blog post. Step 1, you start with writing Facebook blog post. Use Facebook notes and instant articles to post engaging content. Write about trending topics, personal experiences or variable tips. Use attention grabbing headlines to drive engagement. Monetize with Facebook ads affiliate links. If you're a person who is writing, Facebook instant articles allow you to earn ad revenue from your post. Add affiliate links to earn commission on recommended products. Offer sponsored blog post for businesses. This is on an individual basis. The best part is these blog posts keep earning you money long enough after you post them, provided they are green content. Let's see another segment for you to really make sure that you can earn money on Facebook. You have to be consistent, you have to stay consistent and scale up. To make money daily, consistency is a key, as I always tell you. This is the main point I always love, it's consistency and scaling up. Please, if you want to earn money on Facebook, you have to be consistent. And when we're talking about consistency, everybody defines consistency in different ways. But with Immaculate Show, consistency, we look at it as on our daily, weekly, talk about minute-wise. Why? When you take up a project, like you say, I'm going to get passive income from Facebook, it means that is your business. It means that is no longer your job. A job is where you just go to work for hours. But for a business is where you say, this is I want to sleep and see money coming. So I expect somebody who wants to make money on Facebook to post at least, is it a blog post? Post it on a daily basis. Is it a video post? Make sure that at least once a day. That is, that is the minimum. No excuse, no about it. Then 2, you can engage with comments to boost your reach. 3, you can repurpose your content across multiple platforms like Instagram, YouTube, TikTok. And this is what has helped me move forward, because it's the same content. Why not also drive traffic in other platforms? Then what I want you to do here, for you to stay up consistent and you scale up, you can make use of these tools, the AI tools. These AI tools have helped me so much. How? Because if I'm telling you that be consistent and every day you find you're there, and suppose you've targeted Facebook to be your major or main platform to earn passive income from, it means sometimes if you're on a 9 to 12 hour job like me, you might not get time to make your post blogs or to make your videos. So what you do, you use the work of AI to make sure it can help you and do this. The more content you put out, the more money you can make. Facebook is not just a social media platform for messaging, for having fun, for making noise. No, Facebook is a money-making machine. Millions of people have made money from there. The people who have directly known that they can do it. And trust me, the moment you know that you're on Facebook to make money, you can make the world, you can make social media be a best world to live in. Whether you choose videos or you choose blog post or you do both like what I do, the key is to start today and stay consistent, not tomorrow. So tell me in the comment section of this video, will you start your videos or your blog post? When are you going to start? If you've been doing it, have you been focused, or have you been focusing on making money, or you've just been doing it as just a social platform? From today, change now your mindset and directly allows to money making. From today, know that you're doing everything to make sure that you achieve financial freedom. You can earn any amount of money on Facebook. I'm not going to tell you that your range you can earn from $1, $1,000, but it is up to you, the capacity you feel. What are you worth of? If you want to make $1,000, you have to be consistent and you know what to post, when to post, and where. If you want to make $5,000, and even if you want to make $1 only in a month, you lower your grade. So thank you very much, you guys. Let me see you in another video. Bye bye.